To order a new card on Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, select the debit card option, which will direct you to the Cash Card page. On the Cash Card page, you will see an option to get a Cash Card. Click on this option to start the ordering process. You will be prompted to provide your address where the card will be mailed. Ensure the address is correct and up to date to avoid any delivery issues. Next, you will have the option to customize your card by adding your name or a unique design. Choose your preferred option and proceed to the next step. Review your card design and ensure all the details are correct before confirming your order. Once you have confirmed your order, your new Cash Card will be mailed to the address you provided. The delivery time may vary depending on your location, but it typically takes between 7 to 10 business days to receive your new card. After receiving your new card, it is essential to activate it before use. To activate your card, open the Cash App, tap on the profile icon, select the debit card option, and click on Activate Cash Card. You will be prompted to enter the CVV code and expiration date located on the back of the card to complete the activation process. It is crucial to keep your card information safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to the Cash App support team. By following these steps, you can easily order a new card on Cash App and start using it for your transactions. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure to ensure a safe and seamless experience.